Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to create contract files in GridVis Web so that you can display various values such as costs and CO2 emissions. You can find the contract files in the navigation menu under Master Data. Use the Add button to create a new contract file. Here you can store contract data from your energy supplier. First, select the energy source. As an example, I will create a contract file for an electricity contract. You will find all the relevant information you need to fill out the form on your energy supplier's bill. You cannot change the medium and billing unit later. Then add the measuring points to the contract file. To do this, drag and drop the relevant measuring points from the left-hand area to the right-hand area. Then enter the prices and CO2 emissions. Enter the validity, your contractual partner, the CO2 emission factor, your customer number, the contract period, and the CO2 price per ton. In the tariff section, enter the specified tariffs. If you have time-dependent tariffs, you can enter and name them here. Choose between weekdays and weekends, or create your own time periods using the time management function. Depending on the type of contract you create, the fields that can be filled in will differ. For a gas contract, for example, you will need to enter additional values such as the calorific value and conversion factor. If a contract file has been created for a measuring point, the value types energy equivalent, costs, CO2 emissions, and emission costs can be calculated and displayed for energy values. In the device overview, you can display the values in columns of energy values. In the measurement analysis, you can select the values in the advanced settings in the measurement selection. In dashboards and reports, you can visualize the values, for example in diagrams. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitzer.de.